Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is AntaneshiaJay, and today I'm going to be showing y'all this Valentine's Day makeup look. This was my second time attempting to do a cut crease. I don't like my right eye so much. I do like my left one though. I like the way this one turned out. I actually don't think I'll be celebrating Valentine's Day this year. Like, even though I'm a newlywed and this is our first Valentine's Day, and it's actually also the anniversary of when my husband first said I love you. I know. But he's not here right now. If any of you must know, he's in the military, so he's off for a while. And it's just me. I'm at home. And it's just me, school, and work, basically. So I'm not gonna just celebrate it by myself. Like, he's gonna be home like a couple days after Thanksgiving. Wow. He's gonna be home a couple of days after Valentine's Day, so maybe we'll celebrate it then. But as of the actual Valentine's Day, I don't think I will be celebrating anything. But this is the look that I decided to come up with for this year. And if y'all like what y'all see, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Don't forget to like and comment, and let's get into it. What is up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day Valentine's Day makeup look. Oh my god. I'm going for a cut crease. I've done a cut crease before, and that first time I did it was my first time ever doing them. So I'm letting y'all know now, I'm no expert, I'm no professional. I wouldn't even consider myself like up there good, because like I said, this will be my second time attempting this. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette. I need to get some more palettes. I feel like I'm using the same one over and over again. It looks like I may be going in with another palette. I may be using the Wet n Wild or the NYX. One out of these two is going to be added with what I'm doing. I like this pink. This pink right here is really pretty. I'm going with this. Alright, first I'm going in with this color right here. This color is called Risky. I'm going to start off lightly though. Okay. Bring y'all in a little closer. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with the color Rich in my crease. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be going in with a half cut crease. I'm not going to go all the way over. I'm just going to like stop it right here. Let me see how they go, because right now, oh no, I'm so nervous. I do simple looks, y'all, but I need to step outside of my comfort zone. Alright, next I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Ooh, that's high. Next we're going to be going in with this, I don't have a name for this brush, it's just a flat brush. Alright, now I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup. I'm going to be going in with this color right here. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with Rich on my outer V so I can blend this all together. Okay, I like it now. Okay, I feel better. Alright, I'm going to be back. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. And then I'm going to do my eyeliner and choose my lip color. Be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f.'s highlighter. I just realized I didn't contour my nose. I always forget that. And I only forget it when I'm filming. I don't know why. But any other time, I do all the steps I need to do. But as soon as I turn on the camera, it's like I forget some stuff. Alright, I'm going to go in with the color Pure on my Morphe's palette. Put it right there. Alright, I'm going to go with the same brush back with the color I was using at first, which was the color Risky, and put that on my waterline. Alright, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline's Lasting Drama eyeliner. I really like my left eye better than my right. Like, this always happens to me. Okay, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f.'s Jet Black eyeliner. I'm not good with eyeliner either. Do I want to take this risk? I'm going to take it. Success! Oh, yay! Okay. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with the OG, the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And I'm going to be putting that on my top and bottom lashes. I know for sure I want to go with a neutral lip. Now, I just don't know if I want to do matte or gloss. I feel like glossy lips make it look a lot more natural. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to be going in with two different lip combos. I'm going in with Limbo from ColourPop, their Ultra Matte, and I'm going in with their Ultra Gloss Netta with their collaboration with Ellery. And this is like my go-to combination too. First thing I do is I outline my lips. And then I go in with the gloss right in the middle.